feeling good. I just found all these cars on Auto Trader. A dealer is going to deliver this car to our home.
Never leave home. Never leave home.
June 1st. New arrival as of today. It just came. Apparently it has some salvage rebuild title due to the hail damage. I can't see the damage anywhere whatsoever, but this is vwrialta.com. We are proud to announce of the new arrival. Buyer beware. We will send the vehicle to a full 50 points inspection. AC, brakes, tires, lights, oil change, tune-up, check engine, air conditioning, everything. Basically anything major, we're gonna take care of it. This is the first walk-around video. A lot of our inquiries, they said as soon as it arrives, please make a video, send a video. So here it is. These units are kept in a private storage facility in Chino Hills. We ship directly from here to the buyer with 7-day warranty, and appointments showing in purchase in person by appointment only. We are not an open car lot or RV lot due to the lack of staff and people who don't want to work these days anymore. So most of our operation is 90% sight unseen. We try to be as honest and transparent as much as possible. Well, everything is used. Some are 30 years old. So please do your research if you need to. But here it goes. It's got a little solar panel hooked up to it. Engine runs very smooth. It's only got 109,000 miles, which is extremely low for a vehicle for 1997. That's 4,000 miles a year for 27-year-old coach. Overall, we usually see a lot of damages on the ceilings here. This wood is always rotted away. The cabinet is always loose. This one is pretty solid because it's not much of a leak on top. These things usually peel off, but this one is in pretty good shape. It's got a TV system built in, one queen size bed with lots of closets and drawers. This is a very deep closet. The model technically is a 1999 Rialta 22RC. The title may say 97 because of the VIN number that the Carfax or the title shows 97, but the model is a 98 22RC. That's what you buying. As your furnace heat, you turn it on. We added this wide angle lens, so when you are backing up, it's got a backup camera also, but when you are looking at your rear view mirror, you can see a complete rear end of this thing. The water system, you put this here and you turn it on like that, and that's the water. The stove is here. Usually these generators, they don't run because Rialtas have very horrible generators. This one is running. We don't know how reliable they are, but it's running. We are not really concern with the generator, but this one happened to have one and it's running. Okay, this is your dining table. These two seats, they turn around like that. It's got a special device to monitor the OB2 and the check engine all the time. That's your window. And that's this side window working. That's your AC. It's got a Bluetooth radio. And your wipers and signal. You do have an auxiliary jump start button here, your rear defrost, your wipers, and this is your AC here. That runs from the engine. Your circuit breaker boards. Furnace heat comes from there, and air conditioning usually comes up from top. Like that. Bathroom now. This is your shower section. You close that. You have a little curtain here. This whole thing slides. And you have more space for taking a shower. And then you push it back down. Little fridge. Works with battery or electric. If you don't use this table, you fold it away and it's gone.
To the FD double, which seats 3 and sleeps 2 on larger bed. 5 and 6 models were powered by a 5-cylinder and were slightly shorter than the later models. From 97 to 2000, we have the VR6 140 horse models that were also 1 foot longer than the earlier model. In 2001 to 2005, 24-valve VR6 engine at 201 horsepower. The last chassis was supplied in 2003. And there was also a wheel change size from 15 to 16.
Here is a simple explanation difference between salvage rebuild or salvage junk. The junk title has a certificate of destruction and they are beyond repairs. They are totally destroyed, burned or flood. And those vehicles have a certificate of destruction or junk. We now see a lot more cars being salvaged from the insurance company only because they don't want to be responsible for liability for further claims and unhappy customers. Certificate from California in compare to a rebuilt California title that says previous salvage. And this is a regular California title. In order to get this rebuilt title, you need to do a brake and light inspection on the vehicle, then do a smoke emission inspection, make sure it passes, and then DMV or CHP. Only for out-of-state salvage title, CHP needs to do a inspection and make sure the airbag is not missing and everything is good. So make sure the vehicle you're purchasing, it has already been through the 3 certificates of brakes and the lights and the smog, and it has a regular rebuildable salvage title, not a junk certificate of destruction. Although the vehicle has over 3,000 parts, we never claim that we replace everything. Only what's needed, necessary major components are replaced.
Our vehicles pass through a 50-point inspection. We make sure major mechanical components are checked and in good working order. If any major parts that need to be replaced or serviced, we have it done. Second step is the interior restoration. Full detail to a major blemish or damage repaired. Our primary sales are through sight unseen internet buyers customers. Once we are funded, we ship immediately. Customer satisfaction is our #1 priority.